Nearly what's up, everybody? Okay. Now it's what's up, everybody. How's everyone doing? It's Thursday. Okay. It's Thursday. Let's do this. Do we have any news today? No. Maybe not, but I have hiccups today, so that's fun. Okay. Let's see what we got. Okay, so this one says New York low is actually further here, so I'll keep a mark there. I'll call this one New York low, but for me this is actually New York low, right at this 9:30 candle right here. So I'll just mark that out there. And previous day high. Right at the tippy top. Great. Now we have got Asia low down here. Awesome source. Trade addict. Oh my gosh, sorry. My brain malfunctioned. OTT and Kudan. Hi guys. Maya, why look fancy? You have going on it. Oh, you think I look fancy? I appreciate that. I'm literally just in hippie pants, and I slept like this. I just didn't bother taking my hair out of the braid, so I was just like, meh. Aww, you guys are so sweet. It's gonna drop back down to 28500. What am I marking here? Oh, sorry. Marking Asia low quickly. Cool. That's everything. OTT, did you get any first slip looking fans? Oh my gosh. Anyways, OTT, did you manage to get a trade in this morning or nah? Not really. Okay, now let's see if there's a new daily opening. Oh, there is. New daily opening gap. Right here. Looks a little less impressive, the movement we had when you do that. New daily opening gap, awesome source, and then midnight. Okay. Midnight. Right over here. Okay. No, didn't look. It's too cold for me to get out of bed to trade. I guess that's fair. That's fair. So you're still in bed right now, OTT? Good grief. Then again, you've been having such a good week that I guess you don't even have to trade the rest of the week, right? Hey, Joy, what's up? Life sound. You know what I have not done?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How we all doing? Okay. Sorry, I don't like actually doing high pitch. Anyways, let's do our top to bottom analysis. I can already tell it's just gonna look bullish, and just, you know, just a little bit more bullish. Let me go. Wow. It's at the point you can't even actually see the rest of the stuff. This is just going one direction. Okay. I feel like the annoying thing is it's going one direction slowly, so on the day it looks like it's choppy, but it is still moving, which is very frustrating. Wow. Guess let's see if this just continues. All-time highs, man. You just gotta keep on going with the flow. Already making it sound so late. That's before NFP, so rather New York today. Hey, old Louis, what's up? How we doing? 4 hour, let's see. Gonna show you guys the whoopsie I made. So I made a little bit of a oopsies. I don't even know how I managed to do it, but anyways, I made a little bit of a whoopsie. I left a trade open accidentally, so can you see I'm up $1,762? Anyways, yeah. Maybe I should have kept it open. I opened up the charts and went, what? And then I realized that I must have accidentally kept something open last night, and instead of it keeping the 10.10 point, it did that glitch, I guess, where it, oh, yeah. So that was fun. That was fun. Anyways, so, you know, according to this chart, today I'm up $1,762, winning. But there we go. That's not a mistake. Is it not a mistake? I did it on purpose, guys. I planned it all. I planned it all out. I knew what I was doing. Okay, so, sorry, 4 hour chart. 1 hour chart, can I help you, sir? Let's see, it's near the 50% of this wick on the 1 hour. Let's see if we reject off of that or not. You know, at least the 1 hour looks a little bit more trendy. The day just looks like it's going up. The daily chart, sorry, not the day. Okay, 15 minutes. Oh, Perry's been scratching, and now I feel like he's just blown hair everywhere. Okay, anyways. 15, 16, I was right, you could have woke up being down, oh, 100% OTT. I'm already on 15 minute. 15-second chart is the cheat code to daily buyers. Good morning, Solly! How was demo trading, by the way? Is it good? Did you take your first real trade yet or not yet? What's the plan? Okay. Okay, let's do this thing. Where? Oh, there it is. I was about to say, where's the VWAP at? It's down a little bit low. Okay, we have 2 minutes to go. So demo trading this week, real trading next week. Okay, cool. Every time I say much. What's up, Joe? Sorry, I missed a bunch. Hey, Itchy, what's up? How are we doing? There we go. Yes, this is already 3 yesterday's all-time high. Trading at all-time high is annoying. All I want is a retrace, but it keeps going off to the moon. Need some bad news. No, don't say that. Well, yeah. Are we gonna get any though? Because apparently yesterday was just some decent news happening, so we gotta just wait. Did we 50 seconds? What about 15 seconds? Yeah, it's my analysis is just that we're at all-time highs and trend is friend. Just keep going with trend is friend. We have so much sell-side liquidity, it's not even funny, but apparently the market is just going up and away. And stick with trend is friend. I've been saying for the last few days that I would like to see some bearish movement come into play to take out all of the imbalances. The drop, when the drop happens, it's going to be insane because it is so imbalanced. Oh, it's 3 a.m. Okay. Yeah, 3 a.m. it doesn't go as much, but we can still do it.
Okay, let's go.
Went in ages this morning. Yeah, sounds like the whole around thing's settling down. We'll see how that works out. Ayo, Dylan. Yeah, we have power again. Thank heavens. Ah, that was very weird. I was forced to do nothing. Have you guys ever been forced to do nothing? Very uncomfortable for me. I'm not used to doing nothing. All-time high, no analysis. You look for pullback. You long, pullback. You buy Bugatti. Going to be violent and rough. Insane. I was insane once. No way, Zichi. That doesn't sound right. What's up, Debbie? Here's the MQ is tweaking to take out the high from yesterday. You do not want to short against momentum. 91758. That was an enemy. He said it is a measured move calculation. Okay, so Itchy, what your friend is saying is basically it's gonna reach there and then we get a pullback, or is that when does he estimate we're gonna get there? This feels like insider trading right now. But anyways, needing power from the laptop, getting hurricane. Oh, sorry, but seriously, that was the only way I could charge my phone. There was no power. I don't have a power bank. Louis, I'm always doing something. I ended up reading, like I said, I finished a book. Then I forgot how much I enjoyed the series, so now I'm reading the second book, so maybe it's a good thing. It got me off of the screens a little bit. Okay. Let's wait for a little bit of confirmation. It did tap into that order block. Okay, let's give it a few minutes. Let's see if we get some confirmation. Let's check on the 15 seconds now as well. Oh, I missed this one. Missed this one if it goes a little bit lower. Here we go. I'm gonna try this one. It's a little... Why is there no color right now? Okay, I'll put this up so that everyone can see where it is at. Okay, anyways. Let's see this one. Selling down to there. Oh, it might not come and tag me in. But we can leave it up there for now. Let's see what it does. Let's just remember to be a little bit more... Oh, there was that bounce. A little bit more conservative with the trades I take on the 15 second. Only take the good ones. I was gonna say, oh, this is moving slow, but I guess it is... It is, yes. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Sorry, the colors decided to change. Okay, order filled. Why do we not have lines? Oh, that's like... That was very close. Hello. I just got booped. And stop filled. Okay. So that one did not work out very well. Oh well, we have $1,700 to play with today, so that's fine. Not like you want to lose it, obviously you want to add on to it, but still. Okay, so it actually rejected solidly off of this point. I actually have a point. It does then give me a better idea of where the sellers and buyers are. Pulling a face because Perry just burped. Where sellers and buyers are and how they are reacting. Because that was a very strong rejection off of there. So I'm just thinking to myself, don't mind me. I'm just having lots of thoughts to myself. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's see. That's what I think about this right now. Oh shoot, maybe I should have taken that. Me. Oh well. No, don't ever think it high, lower, higher, then a high, high. Keep it simple. Hey Debbie, am I on a new account? So this one is still my funded. The 15-second is still demo. What am I? Great bullish market yesterday. Happy trading today. What's it looking like? What's up, Arthur? I mean, not much has happened yet. Yeah, not much has happened yet. That's about it. Okay, 758. Oh, thanks, don't you like the 758? That's where your TP's at, Louis? I have not tried EMA nickable trades. Oh, man. Okay. Louis? TP slapped. Well done. I was just about to say, wait a second. We've gone above where you wanted it to go. Oh, no. Oh. Well, whatever. No! Saying oh no because this is actually theoretically a B setup. Shoot. It headed for the previous day high. Loki looks like it, hey? Okay, just watching here. Okay. This could come slightly further down and screw me, but oh well. We can see correction in zone to profit. What's up, Dom? What's up? Attack side. Oh my gosh. English. I'm going to profit for our premium zone. No, I'm like, you ain't got room to breathe. Maybe take a few reckless portraits. Remember the half a minute is the level that price is trying to take out. Oh no, don't worry. That's why I have it mother fluffer. Marked out already. Apparently this thing just keeps wanting to run away. No! Why did you not come back? Come back! Ooh. Just take out, let's check the 5 minute. Oh, bleh. Okay. Once it takes out the previous day high, I'm out of this, but yeah. Bristle, cool. Is my workout? Or you just like, oh, I work out. Not enough, but I work out. London showing off today. Yeah, it's apologizing for all the other days where it's been going oh so slowly. Go that way. Go that way. Negation is to wait for a pullback and it will pull back. What's up, Daz? I realized I'm an idiot yesterday. I didn't take profit and slipped, lost all profit and 30. Oh, but that's indeed no. No, 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 no. I'm so sorry. Hey, Shiki, what's my max drawdown remaining? At 4832 something. So, yeah. Arthur, you saying get ready for a short? Sold at 792. This is actually, well, I'm looking hard. Ah, shoot. Last attempt. Like I said, if it takes out the previous day high, I'm calling it. This is funded, Amal. I'll retrace back to the base, then trend line. Do not see this, I said. Sorry. Sorry, Dylan. Oh, no. Oh, it's basically as good as taken out, isn't it? Oh, man. Yeah, okay. It's gone. Can't say I didn't try and get in there, though. Bingo wings are hard to miss. You know what? I was just thinking, oh, I miss Sully. Now I'm like, you know what?
Emotional damage.
Bird. What's up, Silver? How you doing? It's holding with the Doge again. Oh, bingo. No, Bingo Wings is Solly being mean. Such a bully. Okay, previous day high taken. Now let's wait for confirmation of, is this going to continue up? Or is this going to mess around a little bit now that the buy side liquidity has been taken? FOMO for real? No, I'm so sorry. I mean, to be fair, I did try get in on this move. It just didn't retrace. I decided to dress up like Kirby or Kid Buu. Who the heck is that? Is it bad that I don't know who that is? It might be bad that I don't know. Archimec is about to clear their positions. Look from the back side of the Christmas tree chanting. Might take another trade now. For now I'm good. TP 748. Hey Ronan, what's up? Joe, yes, this is the 1 minute chart. If you wanted to short the double top, you would have had to already been in. Ooh, I'm glad that we have some movement today though. Wait a second. That's gonna make me mad. Oh, okay, no. I thought EOS had retraced slightly. It had not. Pity. I was looking at the 15 second. On the 15 second, actually, I would have gotten some entries with retracements, but it's fine. Hey, Mikuwabe, what's up? He's just naming characters with a lot of ping. Oh, okay. Question, OTT, are you a woman? No, OTT is not a woman. Another day and another no dollar. Mikuwabe, what's up? That means I get the game box ready to go along. The only problem is because it took out all the buy side liquidity, it could go further back down. For me, that's the thing. This could be going further down. Yeah, stop loss. I mean, in all honesty, this trade isn't the worst. Yep, order filled on the 15 second. Did hit 50. Hit 75k, this is now break even. Go on. Awesome. Okay, there we go. That was a good rejectional for that level. Now we can potentially start going back down again. Okay. Good little winner on the 15 second. So break even for today? Okay. Like I said, a potential entry down here would be better than the entry here, but watch that one now work out. just because I said that. Because your IG says Ashley OTT. Yeah. That was Ashley. Ashley's a what's it called? Gender neutral name. Actually, I know a few guys named Ashley. Angel, my second name. His actual name. Oh, thank you, Louis. I appreciate that. See, boom, Solly. You big bully. What's up, Dylan? What did I miss? I called Jessica. Is there actually a guy called Jessica out there? And why I just laugh at my second name? No, I didn't. I did not laugh at your second name. I did not laugh at your second name. I promise. I'm trying to do the base of the tree. Okay, I'm not seeing the tree thing. I am not seeing the tree thing. Is this supposed to be the base of the tree? Is that the tree? Is this the tree? And this is the base. I don't understand the tree thing. Maybe I'm being blonde. My base mates is called Ash, and I call him. I see you want to go along. I do. Well, good grief. Okay. Yeah. It looks bullish. What's up, Pipstar? Yes. Definitely bullish for now. Let's see if it's going to continue bullish. Like I said, it did take our previous day high. Let's see if it's going to retrace further back down or not. Can't say I didn't try and place a trade. It just kept running away. Okay, so Arthur, let me get this straight. You say it's gonna go down to here and then bounce back off of it, right? Is that what you're saying? And Manolo's back. Yeah, this spray paint cycle painter just as professional as anything painted to me. No bicep. No, I'm not gonna flex my bicep. My background has no room. Am I tripping? It's like it's holding, but it can bounce. I think it tapped into the shelf. I called it a shelf on ES, so it did reject off of it. The question is it going to reject properly all the way back up, or we're going to go back down again? What's up, Atlanta? 28745. Cool. So basically where I would low-key not hate this to be. Let's see, though, this is not my strategy, so that feels a bit risque. I started building a drug. Bikwabe, do I want to know what happened? Going 400, I don't trust it. What's the psychology when in drawdown? Oh, that's a tough question because it's hard. It's really, really hard. You just have to risk management right risk management. So I then started trading less, like with less contracts, but the problem is then like the winners don't feel like as good. But yeah, it's just one good trade at a time. That's all you can do. Gunshot. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. Mikurave, I thought like you were legitimately starting things, and I was like, excuse me? Do you hit the gym? Oh, yeah. Eddie, not really. Well, not down here. I used to go to the gym all the time, back up in Joburg. I am long for today, so everything's looking good. Nice. Dom says the short is coming. I know, OTT. I was also like, damn. Okay, okay. Just a kid, don't worry. When NQ is going bad, I often switch it up and get my... 748. The British one. So riding horse and pulling one around isn't cheap enough. True. They're strong as heck. Like I said, this is low-key the deciding point. So let's see what it decides. Are we gonna go up or are we gonna go down? I'm a little disappointed. Oh wow, I love how all of us are just so keen to just jump in on this and we're just like, huh? Yes? Hey, I'm dealer by night, Loki. Heroic. Okay, so as price goes low, then the tail of the candle. Reverse the price. Do not short it. Yeah, I agree on that, Rolf. But like I said, this is low-key the deciding factor. So we're gonna have to see what it decides. Oh no. Bless me. Oh my gosh. Ah! Chaos. So much chaos. Okay, we're good. We're good. Do you know what? Yes, yes, Silver Age. We now know what fluffer means, which is why I am never gonna say that again, ever. It's okay. There will be shorts today, but overall the market's positive. Yeah. Sounds like nope. Don't Google. No, don't. Silver Age Life Sound told us exactly what that was yesterday. That was a lesson and a half right there. What's up, juicing? Why are we laughing? Oh, okay. Yep. Imagine being paranoid of police and Kira. Ah, flip. Yep, that will cause this.
Emotional damage.
Followed by this. Ah, flip. Boom, we'll have a devastation along M1's plan. Good grief. And the power to make people at peace with each other. That's cool. Louis, that's very interesting. My consolidation and maybe the trend line from the base will continue going up. Hey Lance, I did place a trade. Just it didn't come and fill me in. I was a little bit bummed. It would have been such a flipping good trade to start off this day. But alas. Nothing for me. Yet. we will get a trade in today. I'm confused on what trade to take in all-time highs. ML. So all of us trust. We're all just here going down, up more, okay, up more. Down, now down, no down, up still, cool. That's basically been the whole week. Like, today we go down. No. Nope, today we keep going up. Next day. Today we go down. Nope. Nope, still up. A bad back be my origin story, like Breaking Bad. We just call it Breaking Back. Wow. Was Aphrodite's daughter hot though? That's all that matters. Stop. Sorry. Is anyone in a trade today? Oh, there was a few people that were in a trade. I know Trade Addict was in a trade. Louis took some trades. Did anyone else? Is anyone else in a trade? Like I said, I tried to take a trade. It just didn't come back to tag me in. This now low-key looks like it would be working out. I cancelled this trade for the main reason being it took out previous day highs. I expected it to retrace further back down. Maybe I should have just kept it up. Oh well. It is what it is. Let's keep watching and see what we get. Get confused on the lines. It's okay to not trade, but you better be watching the line. Not just like you're in a trade. The trend channel is holding through the base of the Christmas tree. You're up 360 in Bitcoin right now. Nice, little age. You day trade? Do you day trade Bitcoin? Well, I think I can have it. I'll smuggle the food around something without getting gone. As I try to ES the breakout of the Tokyo session range. There we go. This is frustrating. Okay, nothing there, nothing there. Let's check the 15-second chart. Even the 15-second chart is a little meh. I wanted to maybe place a little sell there for a retest, but apparently not. That's fine. Okay. Waiting to see what we get where. Didn't bounce there. We get a bounce here. Put a little buy limit there. I don't know why it's glitching out today. Sorry guys. Normally you can see where the heck this is. But you can kind of see it there. A little bit further, let's see. What? I just missed? My Strava was already 2 steps in 8 p.m. Microwave hating. Oh. What's up? I'm going into paper train now. I gotta be going. Hey, look, he just wanted to. Oh, I feel like I've missed something good right now. Wait, let me see what I just missed. I feel like I just missed something. Wait, what did they say? Wait. Wait. As I get close to reading this, it disappears. Damn, stop moving! Oh my gosh, every time I get there, another message pops and it just jumps me back down. Found it. Okay. No! Okay, I see what's happened. Okay, cool. You guys are absolute chops. That's what happened. Everyone's that. Yeah, no, honestly, every single time I'm like, oh my gosh. Gotta embrace it. Can you pause chat so that you can catch up? I can't. Life sound, I wish. Oh well, it's fine. I'll just jump into the middle of this. Can screenshot this and show your parents. I'll call your mom. It's a threat. Oh shoot, should have been this level by the looks of things. Just missed. I'll leave it for a little bit longer. Let's see. Let's do some more to keep my eye from trading. Rude. Okay, well we're in. Oh, I think this might go a little bit further down though. Looks like the sellers have come to play. Yeah, looks like the sellers are back at it. Didn't quite reject enough. It's better. I'm actually gonna move this one to break even. I know it's a little early to do that, but this is looking a little risky. What did I miss? Hello? Hey Dylan! What color is your Bugatti? Wow, Dylan throwing shade at Mikuave right now. But thanks for the donut! Appreciate you! Dylan flexing? Did I get chip money? Ma, you owe me that $5. Flip, you guys are actually too funny. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Not much, still low-key going a little bit sideways. Should have just maybe... Fine, it's fine, it's fine. So wait, Arthur, let me understand what you do. Should step up another notch at trend line base of the Christmas tree is falling short on a second top. Do you do... Do you call this the base of the Christmas tree and you draw like a trend line like that? That's very steep. Is that how you would draw it? Is that what you call the base of it? Or is the base here where I've drawn the blue line? So I've never really heard of this Christmas tree thing, so I'm genuinely intrigued by it. Is that how you would draw it? Honestly, would fly past mine in 3 days. Way more freaky boys at that chat as well. The beach tomorrow, getting totally wasted in public safely. We're cut across 2:30 a.m. Now you've lost me now. No, you now lost me. Part of me goes, haha, so here we do... No, that doesn't work. This, but that, what? Nope, I'm lost. I'm lost. Also, why on earth are we talking about Christmas trees? Tion actually sounds so tough though. No, it's not that. I'm exact on time. It has to be below to the right. Yeah? So this one? See, this is why I don't do trend lines. I no idea. That hiccup was to die for. I don't get it. You broke your elbow. What happened? Either way, it's working. I'm enjoying it. Paper trade's enjoying also. There we go. What's up, Cosmic? How we doing? Rejecting off that volume imbalance on ES right now. Crows have gone silent. Scientists are looking for the Skeletor. That was a good one. That was a good one. Crows have gone silent. Scientists are looking for the cause. Top can get raised. Tails. Under respect, just hit the thought of what you guys actually do behind the computer screen. All strategies work, including trend line. But use it. I heard about the tree thing, but I didn't like it because it reminds me of a Christmas that I already do Christmas once a year. I just picked a real guy. Ew, Atlanta, what the heck, man? Wow. Okay, I'm looking for a pullback down to 745, 763. Hold 1 minute time frame. Trade up here at a premium above the VWAP. You can see large movement when momentum slows. And that snapback. Got a new virus pandemic. I have to steal Maya's house. Like I remember. Well, different between different strategies. For example, I can't use SMC, but good at algo trading. No, overdose indeed. That's exactly. I completely agree with you on that one. I'm not one to bash any oh my gosh, my brain's malfunctioning. Strategy. There we go. I wanted to say system and strategy, and then I was like combining the two S's. Anyways, if you have a strategy that works for you, then flip it and go for it. My patience going to drop now. Most of the doubles up and down. Okay, intention. Okay, moving down. No volume. Get the GAN box ready. About to get the GAN box ready. Number one, I would still have been in this trade. Second of all, that. Don't like the entrance for this one, unfortunately. Not a good entry. Just don't like where the entry is. Oh my goodness. Sure, I can't use anything but ICT. Just won't work for me. You've tried. I trend line. Okay, so the Christmas tree looks bounce then. Okay, let's see. What's up, Mr. Chaos? And Emma! Good morning, guys. What's up? I mean, there's definite chaos going on today. Just saying, not even so much from my side for a change.
Hi.
Everyone in the chat today, good grief.
Good morning.
Everyone be extra chaotic today. Yeah, Mr. Chaos. I'm getting a little bit frustrated, not gonna lie, but yeah. Hey, what's up? Malik? Yes, this is the Nasdaq. Nasdaq futures. Market is playing chess with my temp. Huh? Overdose, indeed, I hear that. Hello. ET and LG microwave. Oh, look, the prices, you guys are terrible. RTT? Oh my gosh, what's up? Hey, David. Pretty rough looks good, but we have a goal here, Maya. What's up? Oh. Yeah, the goal. It has dropped below on ES, though. So ES has now drop below. Let's see if it's just gonna tap into that zone and then go back up, or what it's planning. Like I said, it literally just took out the buy side liquidity, so I wouldn't be surprised for a drop. Let's see. Didn't ever put myself in timeout. What was that? Trade Addict, do you think it's gonna drop to around 720? It had such... You know what? London started with such a good push. Why did it not come and get me? It feels mean. How is it looking on the 15-second? Meh. It's looking meh. Is the answer to that. Which does show that we have lost our volume and we're kind of going sideways again. Let's see. Guess I didn't quite take this out yet. Kitty. Still break even on the 15-second. Yeah, we've lost a little bit of volume now. When we have volume, we're good to go. When we don't have volume, can't really take trades when there's nothing happening here. Okay. Let's go back here, see what else we've got. A little bit of a push happening again. Ugh. Like I said, if I'd done this, watch it then work out. Oh, I'm gonna get FOMO. Okay. Is the surname Roots common in South? No, no. I'm just reading all of this chaos going, okay then. London ain't nothing but a 2-pump jump.
That's what she said.
That was brilliant. That was freaking amazing. I know. Okay, gonna try again. Hey man, I like how you dress. Okay, man, and whatnot. Look like you could bench like 120. I wish. I'm actually so weak. I appreciate that though. We'll talk about which market, which market is. Stuff just reminds me of how massive the stock market really is and how endless techniques people use. Atlanta, yeah, it's really, I think it's what's so interesting to me is how, I feel like this, maybe this sounds weird, but the stock market is just limitless. I think that's a good definition. It's just limitless. A lack of volume is just important as a massive amount of volume. That's why I realize it's good to learn as much as you can. Let people do what they do. Exactly. What are you turning for? Cosmic, you want to visit South Africa once? You should. It is beautiful here. Any high highs and low lows, especially higher lows. I mean, I see higher lows on the 1 minute though. Let's check the 5 minute. Yep. A little bit of a higher low formed here. This is where we're gonna get confirmation of, are we gonna get a lower low? Or are we bear flagging? Bull flagging, sorry. Let's see what we got, but definitely for lower high. I keep mixing up the two. Sorry. You know what I mean. My ancestors were banned from my country for 5 years to Mauritius when they came back after the ban. What? That's cool. I mean, bad. What do you have to do? And you can trade as long as you want. What's that, Multimiro? Billion against the government. We still have that problem though. Being banned is crazy. It's low-key a Maya stream. Damn. Wait 4.5 minutes. Oh, no. Oh, Robbie's back. The chat is wild today. Can I just say, what the heck, people? The chat be wilding today. I feel like instead of getting banned, they got a 5-year timeout. E6. 4 minutes. Let's see what we get. After it's just been kind of messing around a little bit. Everyone be float. It's not even that. And some guys think this is... It's a power pup. Leo! Not yet. Wouldn't quite call it that yet. Where have the good old days gone where London was just the place to trade? I had that. I miss that. London used to be like my happy place. Now not so much. It'll all be back in 2.5 minutes. That's why the dodo bird went extinct. We ate all the eggs while on exile. Emma! I miss on the hour candle. Let's look for retracement. More upward continuation if you're a bull. I wasn't asking, I was telling. Crazy world we live in, never forget it. Multimira, what do I think of FX markets compared to NQ? I can't really answer that because I've never really traded FX markets. OTT might be the better, or actually anyone who's traded FX versus NQ. What do you guys think? FX versus NQ? What just happened? Oh! Why is this frozen? Why am I frozen? Can you guys hear me? That's hilarious. I could just trade. Keep trading, and you guys just can't see me. Anyways, let's see if I can fix myself. Can I fix myself? Aha! I'm back. Okay. That was very random. Anyways, moving on. Cool. FX is cool because you can hold overnight. So FX lost a lot of money. I'll never go back. Oh, okay. Please on it left. Maya vanished. Dang, invisible wire was so attractive. Rude. Y'all are bullies. Good grief. Okay, 1 minute, well, 20 seconds to go. Let's see, hopefully 4 AM gives us something good. Come on, 4 AM, give us something good. I paid the train down to 745. Hello, baby. Okay, 4 AM, let's see what we get. And not much just yet. When I went to Mauritius, this one tour guide the story. Didn't think the Dota part was funnier than and I still have the recipe for them. What's that? Anticipate the visible one. The stock market, yes, that's what I think. Ah, but you see, some guy has to tell me when to do the jump in the pool. I've got a 20-point stop, okay. I do think it is gonna go further down. It is coiling right now. Or bull flagging. Whatever you want to call it. It is busy doing it. The question is, which direction is it gonna break? Okay. Let's see with regards to that. FX is something I would recommend. Would or wouldn't recommend? Wouldn't. There we go. That answers that. Sorry, OTT, you did answer. I just asked, but too late. Is this it? Is this where we break above? A little bit, hey. It can be crazy doing this. Just pairs might be in a ballerina. I like to be wrong. That's not that FTJ. Wow. Wow. You're mean. Just because it's a gaming chair, isn't it? Break. Okay. Yeah, I took out that high. Okay. So if I had left my original trade, it wouldn't have been a win yet, but it definitely would have been break even. Now it may have been a win. Shoot. Okay. Well, let's see. On to the next. Right. On to the next. It's still early. We still have plenty of time to get some more trades in. Ooh, the FOMO is kind of hitting. Joke Travel Maya's not happy, noob. Oh, wait, no. That's good. Dylan, I bet you read books really fast. Oh, yeah. I'm trading a short squeeze at the open. Dylan, am I down today? No, I haven't taken a trade today. I said a trade, it just didn't come and get me. It took me a while also. Oh, thanks, Rolf. I appreciate that. It's frustrating. She seems chip. Yeah? Well done, Mikuave. Well done. I'm proud. Proud of you. Oh my gosh. Chop. Okay, I'm taking a little bit of a risque trade on the 15-second. Let's see what this does. It's here, by the way. So I don't know why. We're just at the point where it just doesn't want to show us where anything is, but there we go. Just draw a line there. Want to see rejection off of there. We shall see what happens. I can, not a good thing, but I can really feel the frustration and FOMO kicking in a lot today. Today might be the day. Let's see what happens. Oh damn, this is gonna... Straight to stop loss? Potentially? I see a little bit of a rejection off of there, come on. I don't know if it's gonna go high enough to go back up there though. Let's see. I'm moving this because I think if it drops below there, it's gonna keep on dropping. So either it has to bounce back up now or there we go. That's okay, then we did lose a little less. Delete that now. Okay, looks like the bears are back in play. Tapped into the bob level, and now the bears are back. Okay, let's then go back here. Oh, no. So I'm looking at ES versus NQ. I really don't like it when they don't mirror each other. We've made a higher high on NQ. Definitely not on ES. ES also made a little bit of a lower low before it shot back up, whereas clearly we did not make that here. Trade to the short, lost 50 over onto the next one. Itchy, that's exactly it. A lot of FOMO in the chat. I got no FOMO, just chilling, having harder with crackers and a little paper. Can I tell you something weird, guys? You guys are gonna judge me for this one. Are you ready? I don't think you guys are ready. I do not like avos. I don't like eating avo. However, I do not mind guacamole because I really love nachos, and I don't mind guacamole. Like I said, maybe I'm just super weird, but avos I can't eat them by themselves. I can eat avos, but only if like there's a small ratio. Like it has to be a less than 50% ratio of avo to whatever else I'm eating, and then I'm fine. Otherwise, I can't do it. What's up, Mario G-Man? How's it going? How about sushi? I love sushi. I love sushi, Hannah. Part of the best make guacamole out of lemon juice and there's that British accent popping up. I'm genuinely not. Beautiful rejection off of that bob level though. The question is... That's a bit risky. Unfortunately, there we go, breaking the lows now. Potentially back down to VWAP on ES, that's kind of what it looks like it could be doing right now. 28750 level. Okay, Rob, I will. And then... God, it's made my mouth thin. So, Shaki, what I'm hearing is you're allergic to avos if it's making your mouth itch. 748, I've been waiting for 748. Oh, the urge to mark it in. We enjoy this Amazon, not that bad. If it breaks, we expect buyers to show up. At the 750 level? Yeah, let's see. I know, David, don't worry. Louis, full port. Don't tempt me, okay? Don't tempt me. You know I will. Nah, I'm kidding. Am I kidding? That's good. Yes, I'm on the 1 minute, Dylan. Yeah, that was a point of pain for the bulls. Already in profit, so either way I make 500 on those. Nice, Louis. Okay. I don't even know what to say right now. I've literally been $100 in green, sold the market button and ended up in the red. Yeah, Atlanta, that market in button is scary. Just saying. That market in button is dangerous. For so many reasons. Ah, Louis. Okay, here it comes. Let's watch and see what it does. What did I miss? I feel like I just missed something. Like one said, just do it. Thanks, Dylan. Shout out to Dylan. Dylan, actually, you know what? You get a special shout out, and you get fireworks. And then I'm pretty sure that's a broker thing. I actually am ironically in a trade right now. On the 15-second. I wanted a bit of a rejection. This one was a little bit more risky. See, it didn't quite hit that low. We're still in it. See if it bounces more or rejects more. A little bit of rejection. I don't like how flat that was though. Back to 0. Could still bounce off of there as well. So the 15 seconds, still not bad. What's up, Lucky? How you doing? Come on. I'm low-key gonna be a bit cheeky with this one. No. Yes, that's fine. Can you then place not a sell limit by stop limit? Like I said, I'm gonna be a little bit cheeky with this one. Let's see if it continues going down. See if we can get a little bit more of a... Never mind. No! Why? Oh, shoot. See, I'm gonna have to get used to Ninja Trader. That was confusing as heck. Okay, let's just close that. Anyways, see, this is where Ninja Trader just confuses my brain a little bit. Oh well. If it hadn't up just retraced a little bit, that actually would have been a goodie. We're still in the green, so that's cool. That's cool. See, a rejection off of here would be nice. Okay, let's go back, because now it looks like we're moving. Men. Bob to bob level, cool. If I hadn't have tapped into the bob level, I would have been like, yeah, let's maybe take the shorty short. Louis, well done. You get a whoop whoop. Actually, like I said, anyone who is green right now, whoop whoop for you. Mikwavi, that is... Mikwavivi, what the heck am I saying today? That is hilarious. I'm low-key upset I wasn't a fly on the wall to have seen that. I'm pretty evergreen for London. I'm sorry. You're welcome, Louis. Big Daddy Long Legs one as well. I'm so sorry. I'm sure that was very traumatic for you. Okay. Hit that 750 level. Went back to the open, rejected off of opening price. Oh, the urge to, yep. I tried climbing into the computer. Uh-oh. I made from this PM blank German ship and able. Oh, David, how did you not take her home? Just saying. David, I would genuinely have taken her home. Wearing pants of her granddaddy. Closer to a bunch of hair. This candle needs to close above and push high before placing the trade. Straight spider, no, straight dog. I probably sure it's not a teeny tiny one and you got scared because it was right in front of you. I'm just a bit hyper-focused now. That's not good. So Tesla cupping hand, oh, cup and handle forming. Like cupping handle. What's a cupping handle? Do I want to know what a cupping handle is? Probably not. Sometimes I messed up and stepped on. I was like 9 years old and I cried. Ralph, and look at that. But look at... I don't understand. It hasn't really moved properly yet. Yet, being the keyword. Could still go, right? Rejection for the... Okay. Can handle look like the handle later now. Kalani, oh my gosh. I gotta find a butterfly that focuses on patience. All the breakfast ideas and steak and I just don't know. Hey, T-Trade Futures, how you doing? Yeah, it's a fun time to be a trader. Compliment my outfit today. Dylan, I'm sure it looks amazing. Sorry. What are you wearing? No, that's a weird thing to ask. Anyways, I'm sure you look great. I'm out in 5 minutes, gotta race for New York Open. Oh, right. Okay, we should do butterfly of the day. I feel like I'm gonna pick one today. I'm gonna pick a butterfly today because I can. Okay. Right. That would have hurt my feelings. Oh, it actually wouldn't have taken me out. Damn. Look at that. It actually would not have taken me out. This would have been... Oh, it wouldn't have taken me out on either side. Okay. Anyways. Moving on. Let's do this. Okay, quick. Butterfly of the day. So I can type this one in fast because I see this one everywhere. So I know what this one is. Okay, are you ready? So, are we ready? Steady. Butterfly of the day today is A. Green banded swallowtail. Yes, it actually looks blue. I think it depends on how it reflects, but yeah, it actually looks blue. So I keep calling it actually the blue banded, but it's actually called the green. Anyways, so green banded swallowtail, wingspan of 75 to 95 millimeters. So it's biggie. It's a big butterfly. It's often in numbers in the mud. Cool. So distribution is common, widespread in wooded areas from Western Cape. That's so rude. Common. Mossel Bay to Eastern Cape, like East London and the Wild Coast, KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and Northwest Provinces, and Free State. Has invaded suburban gardens in Gauteng, feeding on citrus SPP. I don't know what that stands for. Sap? Okay. Habitat is forest edges, parks and gardens, flatlands. Okay. Flight period is year-round in warmer areas, peaks November and Feb. Yeah, and his Latin name is Papilio Nereus Leyeus. Nailed it. Anyways, green banded swallowtail. Call it what you will. That dude is blue. Anyways, green banded swallowtail is his name. Yeah, there's our butterfly of the day. Thank you. Let's see now. Reject off of here a little bit. I'm 13%. I can't fix the vibe. No. I'm finding out about you. That was simple. That's constant. Never mind. This guy's. Oh, thank you, Ananda. I appreciate it. Hammer. Hi, Hammer. Fun fact about the green bandit. It shoots this fleshy organ out like a snake's man. Ew! That's gross, Louis. Ew, okay. And butterflies are very good at being very aerodynamical. Unaerodynamic. What do you mean? Stank tone. Coach, can't please pronounce the Latin name again. Why? I think that just dropped when you resume the music. Oh, nice, Dylan. So you really like the music. Hammer, you good? What's up? Hey, sharpening, what's up? Butterflies suck at flying straight. They really do. I'm not even gonna deny that. They are all over the place. They are chaotic. That butterfly reminded me of Godzilla's wife. Godzilla has a wife? What? Am I dumb for not knowing that? What? Godzilla has a wife? Trade addict? Am I taking this trade right with me? What, are you taking the longs? Stop that. Okay. I'm not listening, I'm not laughing. Okay, there we go to sleep. As much as possible under support. I used music menu. Huh. Yes, it's Lofi. Better again. No. Considering this, because it's back to being choppy, which means the bob levels are back in play. They just slow during London. Didn't come back, didn't come back. Really? Stuff like 20 hours straight. Why were you up for 20 hours straight? Cheers, Louis. Enjoy. Thanks for joining. Mad love. Hey, Tyson. Yeah, this one's NQ. I did check. I do have it on. Just figuring it out a little bit. What's MNQ rather? We did just inverse a 30-minute gap. So Tyson, you say the shorty shorts are in play, right? Okay, bummer about that. My contract work too much. Goodbye. Hammer, the weather here is sunny. I don't understand. So everywhere I've been seeing basically the floods and the storms and it's like drizzled here. How's the weather that side of the world? You had your fib for short. Why did you change it? What do you mean? This? This would have been a loss. That would have been a loss. Right there. How long have you been trading for? Oh, so the age, just over a year now. Yeah. Yeah. Just over a year. I feel a little bit stuck right now, which is very frustrating. It's not like stuck, like I want to take the trades. I'm not getting my A+ setups. I used to get like 4 or 5 a day. I feel like if I get 1 a day, I'm lucky. Cold and freezing here. Was 14 yesterday in Bryanston. No ways. It's been slightly rainy in Virginia, US. Wow, it's been 7 years for me. Nice, sharpening. That's awesome. If the down move were valid, the volume would be rising. Effort versus result. Thanks, Silver Age. Doesn't feel like it. I appreciate it though. Yeah, it just doesn't feel like it. Remind me, there used to be a point when I was only running one setup. There'll be times when it didn't happen for weeks, and then when it did happen, I was not used to it and I would fail. Oh, that's interesting, Atlanta. Wait for it to retest midnight and see what it does. Okay, I'm gonna get a 1 hour gap. It's in line with the volume node further down. And that I'd wait for buyers. Thanks, Tyson. How many hours are your trades normally, Tyson? Oh, Ralph, no, I won't put trading, don't worry. Leave it in. Missed my one opportunity. Yeah, Atlanta, that, like I said, during New York yesterday, pre-market, and I don't trade pre-market. There was an A+ setup, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's an A+ setup. But it was pre-market, it was like, I think it was 6 minutes away from New York Open, which is a bit risky, so I didn't take it. It would have actually been a winner, but that was very frustrating. That was very, very frustrating. Do you have a target for profit or an amount where you're like, you're good for today? Normally it would be like around 3 wins. But I don't even get 3 trades nowadays, so... Ready to run, the Nasdaq is popping, got an inverted head and shoulders, look for the neckline. Not gonna lie, I sold just before Google and video went crazy. No, Dylan, I'm so sorry. I do remember you taking 3 trades a day. Right? Solly, have I just gotten more picky with my trades? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Or was it the market? Because sure, I used to take a lot of trades a day. But now I don't know. I don't know what you mean, because pre-market a symbol can either go crazy or more than likely it ends its run when the bell opens. Yep. NQ maybe holding out. Maybe. That's good. Trade more and trade less. I guess, but sure. It's then frustrating to watch, I guess. I think it depends on how patient you can be. I mean, I can be pretty patient, but yo. So it's getting excessive. Like, I mean, you can even see there, Monday, no trade. Tuesday, I got 1 trade. Went yesterday, no trade again. Today, potentially looks like another. Well, let's see what New York brings. And also, what time is it? I mean, we still have time. There is still time. But it looks like the volume's dying. so maybe not. Might always pay attention to when the stock starts its run. I'm looking at it, I'm probably not going to. Like, yeah, it's just one of my rules. Just because pre-market, especially 6 minutes away from New York Open, it can sometimes just go crazy. I mean, what if you're still in the trade at market open and it then reverses completely? Does that make sense? So it's just kind of always been my thing of, I don't want to say so much pre-market, but like at least 10 minutes before a New York Open, sometimes the markets can start doing some wild things. I don't know if it's just people trying to get in or out of positions. Hammer sounds like the way to do it. Yep, I agree. Hammer, I did see your message. I do completely agree with that. It's just nowadays it feels like I can't even get a trade to get my target. Hey, Miss Edja. What time frame? This is the 1 minute time frame. The 15-second time frame is actually going sideways still. To check on it, it's still going sideways. So that's fun. Let's see what it does here. Part of it is you're still growing. You take less trades because you're looking for and recognizing better worse setups. Consolidation is even all I can see. Break out. Aw, thank you, Rahid. I appreciate it. You look at it a lot. The symbols will run for maybe a total 4 to 6 hours before they settle. Settle? But since you're taking those trades, are you winning more on the ones you take? That's the question. OTT, yeah. Technically, I am. The A+ setups that I really like work out really well. No tripping, you want to avoid it until you act in direction instead of guessing when it will move. Natural gas starts crazy. Is that something you would consider trading? What? Yeah, what a fool, hey Dylan. Evening, y'all ever consider hedging your trade? What's up, Mike the Goat? How you doing? It's in a massive megaphone. Megaphone? What do you mean by megaphone on the weekly chart? But me, I will take a long to right. My enter back. When you enter a trade, where you're looking to make sure to go back. You don't shot of Peter only when you look at the range. You know you messed up. Wait, see the candle? You said the huge bottom bar. For the history before we enter. Brilliant pink. Oh, thank you, Mike. I've seen a megaphone, I just haven't looked at the weekly chart, I guess. Cheers, Silver, enjoy! And don't change anything, most interesting thing. Setup shows taken, and that leads to multiple trades, but sometimes taking. Hey, Florida native J, how you doing? Sharpening, you think so? Wait for the 9:20 AM macro to finish, then enter after 9:40 AM in New York session. Oh right, isn't there news today? Is there news today? Is there news today? No, there's a little, yep. There's a little bit of news today. than just one every single day. That's true, OTT. It just feels frustrating sitting here. Waiting. Patiently. Okay, seems like the sellers are back in play right now. See how it reacts again. My, there's news every day. Yeah, but not like hectic news every day. Unlucky. Pattern traded. Formations happen every day. That's the reason we see the big spikes. $2.4 billion market cap. You should get a generator mine. To be honest, I feel like if how it altered was a warning. Sharpening, absolutely not. You know how expensive diesel is? That's not happening. I'd rather sit in the dark. Not a chance am I getting a generator. Good trading is all about waiting to find, so good thoughts to help you with trade. Wait, thank you. Oh, sorry, Trade Addict. I took a scalp for 200. Used a pattern trading model, I guess. Mike the Goat, are you asking me? I'm using the 1 minute right now. He's also But isn't it more expensive? Isn't it nearly 30 Rand a litre? OTT? I feel like cheating for no reason today. What do you mean cheating? Gotta actually wait, he is irritating the living daylights out of me. Gosh. Okay, done. Oh, what? That 31 Rand increased by 6 Rand. I don't know why I said. Oh, cool. So it's at 31 now. That's great. That's just not happening. It's so expensive. Not worth it. Yeah. You guys are all just spending. Oh, petrol by 3. Oh. It's bad. It's bad. It's expensive. Have I utilized a hedge? No. Jerry invoked it there. Oh my gosh, Solly, no. No, I would cry. I would start crying. A single leader. At least Maya has a horse. I need to start walking. Yeah. No, OTT, that's why, do you know what? I trick myself. I only get like, whenever I go to the petrol station, I only get like 300 Rand each time. I don't fill it up or anything. I just go 300 because then I feel like I'm only spending 300 Rand. I don't take note of how often I go. But I just get like 300 Rand and then I'm like, okay, that's fine. That's enough. Bro, how is he? What the heck? How is he doing that? What? What about time out? Another fluffer? I did! Oh, damn, I can't say that anymore. Okay, anyways. Damn, OTT! 100 Rand. No, not grand. Rand. 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 Switch stream. You guys did nothing. I saw that. I saw that. Glasses, no. It wouldn't stop me. Been up all night and not take it. Oh, cheers, Mario G man. Okay, wait, give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, starting to get some movement, I see. Tiny bit. Alright, we got close to VWAP on ES. Didn't think shh. No one hit the like yet today. What do you mean? Probably this. Sellers are about to be trapped. Been slowly going down though. Let's see. I have to take out that high on ES still. Didn't quite tap back down into VWAP on ES. Fudge. Oh gosh. What's pissing you off, Adanta? Yes, I don't like it. Never doing that again. Need to handle for another breakout. You break from leg day. How are we looking on higher time? Hey, Jordy. Yeah. Yeah. Just, yeah. I'm contemplating this, but I also feel like it's a really bad idea. Because this is not a great setup. I want to see it go a little bit further back up though. On ES. Just need to know there's a contract. His subs keep going. Aww. Okay, 4 minutes until the new hourly. VWAP is down there. Okay. We're gonna tag in there. Watching this on the 15-second as well. I think this is just going down still. I think it wants to tap into VWAP on ES. I'm glad I didn't do that. That would have been a bit of a gamble. Okay. Watch I say then it starts going up. I will be frustrated. Sure, I'll be grumpy. Anyways, is anyone actually in on a trade right now? Yes, no, maybe. How's it looking? 28700 is in play. Oh, I remember that. Hey, nice call. Joy? Wow, okay. We're going to midnight. If this goes further down, I might be... Let's see how this goes. Low charts, we're chilling until New York. What happened to sellers getting trapped? Right, looking good, but we still have a way to go. Nice, lucky. Okay. Here you go to them. OTT, I thought you said you just filled up. And boom, would have been stopped out. Here we go. I'm 500 up this week. Hey, nice, Dylan. Shouldn't be going to the mall if you asked one. God, she loves in bandits. Already more cheaper than gas. That's valid, depending on what you're getting at the mall. Just saying. Could be buying expensive things at the mall. I still don't even have anything on the 15-second. DGMI doesn't want to get... Oh, thank you, Mike. I appreciate it. I'm actually scared to do a full tank. I mean, if you've got a cheapish car, just do like 300 rand. Rand, not grand. R for rhino. My DoorDash is going to the mall. Absolutely not. Sure, to get things delivered is actually like stupidly expensive for no reason. And it takes time. I've done it like twice before where I was like, yeah, I'll just get it delivered. Not worth it. I'd much rather just drive there. Also would not have worked. It's sitting on VWAP now. If we keep going down. Yeah, I think so, Atlanta, yep. So I can go there and be a billionaire, basically. Oh, we gotta get part-time jobs. Our main jobs. Okay, what car do you have? My little Hyundai i10, 300 rands. Good to go. Maya, can you buy me a car next? Dude, I need to get myself a new car first. Trust. Like, you know it's bad when you sit for yourself in full tank in the same sentence. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm getting a headache from watching this. Surely I got a BMW. 300 get me to the mall and back twice, not to flex or anything. Damn, OTT, you have a BMW? Damn, y'all are fancy. Okay, then. I feel like my brag is that my car can be filled up without costing me an arm and a leg. Anyways. What am I drinking? Cold tea. I forgot that there was a little bit of tea left. Oh, dude, it's bad for everyone except for my. I'm not a billionaire at all. Not. Okay. Let's see what we get here now. Go below, go below, go below. Yep, there we go. Good. Going below VWAP on ES. That's what I want to see. Y'all are in time to see a bit of a tilt happen today. Let's do this. To be fair, if it does do this, it's not the worst. Back down to the midpoint. No, but I need it to stay below VWAP on ES. Calm down in second hand. Which not represent? Oh, those are the bob levels. Oh, so a little bit of old fuel. Too easy to drain it. Your car is 300. No, it's not 300 grand. Are you crazy? My car is like worth 50k at this point. Big boy car. Mom. Not to flex, but I have 3 bicycles. Proper 2026 flex. Oh man. Back above VWAP on ES. Not quite what you want to see. I need to start trading futures. I don't want to use prop firm. Oh, if you don't want to use a prop firm, then oh. Okay, if someone wants to start trading prop firms but doesn't want to use what? Let's try that again. If someone wants to start trading futures but doesn't want to use a prop firm, what's the minimum amount you think they'll need to start trading? That's risky. Just in my opinion, I feel like that's very risky. You're gonna need what, at least minimum of $5,000 maybe? I don't know if that's maybe pushing it. Yes. Alright, this month. Roll for $0. Joy of Travel says a lot. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I'll start paper trading first, but if you're ready to take it to the next step, but you don't want to go prop firm. So 5k is good to start. Yeah. But if you, okay, so that's not using a prop firm. If you were to use a prop firm though, what, like $500 instead of 5,000, right? Around that, plus minus. Yeah, I think 500 is minimum to open a futures account. So, oh, $500 is the minimum to open a futures account, but then like capital for losses and lessons and things. So you've been paper trading on TV. Okay, there we go. No, $5,000. Okay. But I would trade prop firms to bankroll your live account. Yeah. Add $10. Now one. And trade rate margin for MNQ. Yeah, there was that little bit of a rejection. It's still sitting below VWAP there. Okay. Margin 500 and donate the other to a cause of your choice. Trader danger, those are the bob levels. They're basically institutional zones. You can call them that. Like I laugh at my jokes and gets annoyed when she realizes it's me. No, not at all, Dylan. Why on earth would I get annoyed when I realize it's you? Okay, potentially now the 15 seconds looks better. Nope, never mind. Guys, you know it's bad when there's not even anything on the 15-second chart. Bob levels are really good levels, they really are. There are zones of previous high volume traded area. Yes and no, because thanks, Dylan. Shout out to Dylan for the dono. You are so funny. Now 0. Because they keep going into all-time highs as well. I mean, for example, this was all-time high, right? Yes, it is all-time high, and it's still rejected off of this level. Does that make sense? Paper trade first and start with prop. If you can't take money from them, you ain't doing it on live market. May as well give your money away if you go straight live without the experience. There we go. So, as Agile, I don't know if you heard that, but paper trade first, then start with a prop. If you can't take money from them, then you ain't doing it on a live market. May as well give your money away if you go straight live without the experience. Has he already got 2 BMWs? Billionaire. Is Bob here? No, he's not here. When Maya closes her apps, my trade will activate. Rude. Same bed. Joel's got BMW 5. I love big boy cars. This is hard to watch right now. You can start with 500 or 1,000, but the money you earn on one position is so small that become boring and you'll start risking more than you're supposed to. It's called paying your tuition. There we go, it is called paying your tuition. Hammer, what's the shortcut for William Knifeman? Oh, I haven't actually made one. Should maybe make one here. Okay. Cool. Majority. Okay. Let's see. And tell you this out. I'm gonna keep watching what's happening. Okay, I see nothing. Nothing super important is happening yet. This breaks above the bob level. Maybe we get something. Okay, done. Okay, and what do I have him under? Sorry, sorting this out. Let's see if that worked. Why did it not work? Okay, I'll fix it after stream. I didn't lose in the beginning. We're gonna have a huge get together, boys. I'm thinking Vegas might even invite Maya. Thanks. Maya in Vegas treating casino like we ever once in Spitz. Heck yes. Obviously. Oh, I know I'm gonna vomit when I see this. Got a quote. That's your long, draw the line. Let's see. I wanted to see it tap into VWAP first though. No, still not what I wanted. Give it time, but someone safe for part. Yes. Am I being dumb? Where's the full amount? Ah! It's cheaper than I thought it would be. Anyways. I'm getting broke or getting kicked out because I'm leaving a zillionaire. Not gonna lie, take all your money in Texas Hold'em. Okay, well I did place a little buy on the 15 seconds, so let's see if it comes to get me in or not. Hannah, how tall am I? Like let's say 166. Line, it keeps going up. Watch consolidation at your red line. It looks like you have a smiley face. What do you mean? Like I have a smiley face? That's what he said. She's Atlanta. She's 6'5". You know, someone got study how much NQ is made from people losing money on it. In my place, poker, she'll fall. She got a full house. Oh, you have a smiley face now. Went up. Why, Hammer? What even is this? $399.75. That's what I'm aiming for on ES. Hammer. What is going to take? 130 online. Then I'll select it. If I said online poker with real money, I don't think I would be saving me at all. Let's see until it gets to there. Oh, yes. Okay. Think about me, I was thinking below 1.7, but it looks left phone. Yeah, so I am below 1.7. I think I'm not actually trading correctly. No, not really. It's not an A+ setup, but I'm comfortable. I'll take it. Here's a tip. The volume profile looks volume in the middle. Most likely continue. And the volume profile shows volume in the middle, most likely continuation. Interesting. I've just, for lack of better words, reached my effort level. I'm gonna find out one random sign. It's the games room. Solid rejection. Oh no! It's not gonna come back. If it breaks above here, I think it's good to go all the way back up. Yes, please, go on then, Hammer. We're gone for the next week and some shaking. Wow, rude. We can settle for 12. You gotta teach me something. I'm not learning anything. Arthur, what do you mean? I spend weekly lunch money on gambling. What are you saying we'll pause on? Hey, Brie, what's up? How are we doing? Long I mean, you went long on a position at the bottom to help him. No. So I use retracement. So I wait for it to retrace further back down. And then pop back up. Could reject off of there. 3, 4. Let's see. This one could be risky. Oh well. Loki Beans gambler since 13, man. Been in the trading business. Let's check the 5-minute. Five-minute wise, that rejection was freaking solid, but this could still go back down. But I like the rejection off of this midpoint here. Go back up to fill the fair value gap. At least what I would like to see. Is it gonna do it? Maybe not. But rejection back down, retest into here. Like I said, this rejection off of this midpoint was insane. And rejection off of the VWAP on ES. See what we get. Was that a donut noise? No. Volume profile will show hidden level. I guess you're I don't like this wick on the 5-minute, but let's see. Like I said, I'm all sorts of over this now. can do is mitigate the risk slightly for this one. So instead of 2 cons, let's just make it 1 con. There's the grid. Don't care if I lose 30 bucks. Might have 2.2 I have to add to the charts. Inventory costume. 300 rand. Full port independence. Well, order was filled on the ES chart. Let's see. Order filled here. Need a little bit more rejection. Which is not happening. Oh, this is not a good sign. That doesn't look bad though. What's up, Maria? How you doing? Still at 0. Got till 11 minutes. I'll stop over there. Still at 0. Oh, we have just lost all momentum. And that's fine. What's the time looking like even? 7:30? Bit of a bounce there. Come on, need a bit more of a bounce. There we go, that was better. Not better. Very successful with gambling addict science. Me, tell me I'm wrong. Every successful what? $37. The beholder's real though. Some levels. Oh, didn't quite bounce enough. Oh, didn't bounce enough there. So at 0, like I said, this is kind of in the deciding point here. $5, $12. Like every time I'm like contemplating moving my stop loss, it starts messing around. $7.25. 50. Okay. Not bad. Okay, that was a win on the 15-second. Let's see here. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my gosh. Well, I don't like that rejection there now, but Oh my gosh. Oh, cool. Okay. I think above everything is good. It seems like it's the same thing as Japan, just in block form. That's what I needed to see on ES there. I mean, this thing could still be going up. Retrace a little bit further down. And then a potential continuation back up. That. Ooh, okay. A little open wicks, a little bit better. Huh? Buy my market order in right now. And you need to use a stop loss sound when that happens. You know what, I actually probably do. Wow. Lucky, imagine Maya speaking Zulu when she's mad. I would die. Oh, flip. What even was that? Okay. We need a womp womp sound. What the hell? Oh, have you never heard that one, Dylan? Yep. It's a goodie. Maya never do that something again. Why? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Why are you guys judging? Oh, the rage. Oh, so much rage. So much rage right now. Are you freaking kidding me? It's about to tag my in and hit TP. No, it's not. It's about to not tag me in. And go all the way up where I want to see it go. I have to dress up as I don't think that would go down very well. I know what would feel better. What? OTT. Market order in, no stop loss into a backflip. I actually cannot believe that happened. Yo. I think I'll go into cardiac arrest by I'm okay. I don't even know what to say right now. I don't even know what to say right now. That's not very nice, is it? That wasn't very nice at all. I know. My order's in, but not activated. You're higher up. Okay. Debbie, imagine if I'm in public walking around and suddenly that sound goes off. That would be hilarious. That would actually be hilarious. My gosh, I like yesterday. I did 2 days work in that break. Why I want to get my first. Oh! No ways. Really? Where are you gonna go though, OTT? You have to be very specific with where you go. And what are you gonna get? Sorry, that got me super like. Wow. Just wow. I actually cannot believe that happened. Hmm? Oh well, what happened? I don't know where to go, that's why I'm consulting you. Okay, but again, it depends on what you want to get. Send pic. Okay, send pics on. Okay, whoa, pause right there. Why do you want to get a hand tattoo? I'm gonna stop you right there. Why? What's up, Wanda? How's it going? I'm trying to calm myself down. So now we're just gonna talk about tattoos for a little bit. Calm myself down. Maybe we'll get another opportunity. Okay. Okay, OTG, it looks cool. It looks cool. No. Hear me out. It does look cool. The only problem with hand tattoos is that you have to get them touched up often because because you're always using your hands. Maybe not you never go into the sun, so actually maybe it's fine for you, I guess. Normally they fade quicker. Hands, like tattoo hands. Hand tattoos tend to fade a little bit quicker. Oh, I was gonna say something about the place where the boy lived. I'm sorry. She says she can hold his hand over his face. I'll bully you. Wow. Why did I get a tattoo? Ooh, wow. Oh, thanks, Wanda. Tramp stamps are cool. A hand tattoo, a better choice than a tramp stamp. You know, it's for me, it's just you're gonna spend a lot of money on it. You don't want it to fade out and not look like. But like I said, I'm so sorry, OTT. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I was such a bully there. Yeah, look at that. Again. Okay. Then an anime tattoo, maybe. A hand tattoo first. We're about to be tapped in here? No, I don't know. Doesn't look like it. Should I keep this trade up? I feel like I should. Actually cancelled it because I was like, well, screw that, but buy limit up. Let's see. We might still get something here. Why is not finishing her sentence? What did I miss? What did I miss? Okay, I'm hands up. Let's see. Tattoo was always something I wanted, but I never really knew where I wanted it, and I think my left hand is the spot. If I was built like a rock, I would get a sleeve. Oh, flip. You missed these. What do you mean I missed them? I have everything set up here. It missed me. Rude. Oh, why did I get a tattoo? Oh, so all of my tattoos actually have a little bit of a meaning to them. My first ever tattoo was on my ankle. It's just a little line work horse jumping, but it's a little bit different because I always thought everyone got like the same ones. Then my whole back is basically for all of my horses that are passed. This is to do with my mom and growing up. I have a bird on my leg. That is because wherever I go, I irritate everyone because I keep seeing black shoulder kites. They are everywhere. So I got a tattoo of it because it's a nice memory. The butterfly with the sword on my leg is because I'm an antisocial butterfly. I thought it was funny. I have a little stingray as well, and that is because of the fact that Adushaka did the ocean walk, or the ocean floor walk. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but you basically go into the enclosure with all the manta rays and stingrays and things, and you like walk in there with them. So it was to remember that memory. What else? I have phases of the moon over here. That was when I was going through different phases of my life. You know, so all of them actually have a bit of a meaning for me. But no, not every tattoo is supposed to have a meaning. Sorry. All of my tattoos have a meaning. But no. I have a friend who has like anime tattoos all over. He has Pokemon on his legs. Do they have a meaning? No, he just likes them. Not all tattoos are supposed to have a meaning. OTT. Wow. I'm in the consistent making nice every day. Hey, Winston. Abdul, hi. Winston, hi. Start learning day trading if you have any recommendation. So I started just, I had a friend that taught me the basics. And the rest I've actually learned from this amazing live stream. In all honesty, this amazing community. You guys have a lot of little things that you don't even think about. No, that's not me. I'm getting cancelled. Was that a clapback for me being mean to you? I feel like that is what that was. I'm sorry. My bad, OTT. I'm so sorry. What a weird thing to say. Was OT oh no, Blue Eye Girls don't get cancelled. Flip, you guys are actually too much today. Winston, yeah, you're welcome. Sorry, I don't have like specifics. If you want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to, and I can send you some videos that helped me when I started. Right? When did I start? I started just over a year ago. OTT wanted to find this out. Now you guys know why I'm sometimes mean to OTT. He starts it. This is really hard to watch. There we go, Winston. This is really hard to watch. Is Debbie still in the house? I'm not sure. There's one way to find out. I can just play the noise, but Maya, all I see is you being mean to OTTs, never mean to you. Oh, liar! This is hard to watch. Wow. Wow. You know what? You can't even say I didn't place trades today. I placed my trades today. It just didn't want to tag me in. I'm now very angry. Okay, anyways. Still hasn't taken out the high. I want to see it take out on ES. Would have been break even now. Hey, 22 hours, what's up? It makes you feel better. I went in long with 3 NQ. Where did you go in long? Where did you manage to catch it? Got the hot water bottle now for the head. Yeah, not today, luckily. Today's not bad. Just made a double top there. Now we're falling back down. Properly. Cancel it because it went to where I would have gone break even, so it's now an invalid trade for me. Alright, other half now. That will go down. Oh, you think it's probably gonna come get me now? And that I should still be in this chaos. Isn't that dropping a little bit too quickly? Downtrend, a downtrend, dodgy. Take a 0 off my profit. Okay, now it looks like it's about to close below VWAP on ES. Yeah, no wonder, that's what I was thinking. If that's why I would have been break even, which makes it invalid now for me. But I don't like entering once it's tapped back in there. Please spike. So Solly, you still wanted to go back up. Arthur, you say here it goes. We appear to be in a bit of a 50-50 divide again with regards to if this thing is going up or down. I mean, the sellers definitely came to play now. It's closed below VWAP on ES. This is the move we're looking for. Hey, old Dylan. Really? Why do you say that, Rolf? Okay, so it would have been a break-even trade, not a win. So I guess that's something. The huge surge in volume, if they were all sellers, the candle would have been bigger. I guess, I hear you, I hear you. Open clocks right twice a day, draw your trend line and watch it again. So we know that portion of the volume is buying. Clinching. So Dream Market still sees a buy. I would be terrified right now. This could spike one last time, yeah. Here we go. See it below VWAP on ES. And not yet, let's see. It's not looking good. I tried to get to code, but hurt me better, so I stopped paying for chat, which could better AI for coding. Oh my goodness. Come on, if you're gonna do it, do it. There we go. Okay, so that would have actually been a loss if I'd kept this one now open. But because it had basically gone and would have been break even. Back down to here. Back there. Okay, ES broke the low but hasn't closed. The body of the candle has not closed below. So dream markets, you're in? Bonked. No, Sully, I'm sorry. Don't tell me I did the Maya special. Wait a second, what do you mean the Maya special? Oh, where it just ticks you out and then goes back up? First of all, rude. No. And 7. This thing still looks like it might go down. Didn't hit my TP yet, end of the opening, so I'm still short-minded. Okay, trade addict. Like, yes, I have to admit I'm not expecting that drop, so for a week you reckon they will again tomorrow. It looks like it's gonna be 50%. I know the Asian session might bounce from the Asian high has been broken, so in short, it could go either way. There we go, lucky. Okay, 558. Let's see at the new hourly what we get. Okay, so you're targeting the equal highs up here. Cool. Tapped into VWAP again. Let's see if it breaks back above it. I mean, it's now created a lot of buy-side liquidity, so yeah. Potentially we could really see it retrace all the way back up there. It just would have taken me out first, which is rude. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm currently in buys now. Let's see, 1 minute, well, 13 seconds to go. Let's see what the new hourly brings, if it's gonna push back up or not. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap properly into VWAP. On ES again, sorry. Look, out to the left. If price goes lower than that spot, then the traders who went along there aren't in their trades anymore. I still think this wants to come down to midnight magnet. But let's see. Maya, I just had the strange feeling that I'm gonna do random... What? Going to randomly do something wonderful for your life. Okay, what's that? What time frame is everyone trading here? Just thinking about the South African friend I told you about. Yeah, what about it, Atlanta? Now I fear this is the Maya special. My stop loss was 722. Maybe it's karma for calling it the Maya special. Just saying. Supposedly he's some big CEO there. Really? Which company? AI sourcing or something. Oh damn, okay. So Lance, you execute on the 2 minutes. Potential rejection there. See, I still feel like this is gonna go down. Nice lucky quick stop, was it? Does fair value gaps work on your time frame? Professor again to TP then. One day they work, but obviously, you know, the higher time frames work better. figure that out for you in Messenger. Curiosity always guides me, I love it. I don't see anything on TV, my username is the same as here. How about now? Now I'm holding long term till 214. 214? 28? 214? Or two? No, what? Can you indicate a sample invites? Burp, 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 burp. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna call it. Let's see. I'm gonna make a mark here. Let's see what it looks like when I come back later. I'm now tired and grumpy. Two trades that I'd set up today that it didn't come and get me in. Oh well, it's okay. Oh, sorry, Lucky, got it. So, I don't know, some nice exciting pullback. Ooh, what's up, troops? Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it there. Like I said, I'm low-key a little bit of a grumpy goose right now, but it is what it is. Oh, it's going lower. Solly, do you feel a little bit better now? Hopefully you feel a little bit better. Is it? I'm still watching this now. Yeah, still going down. Oh, sorry, DJ. Hey, okay, there we go. Solly, do you feel a little bit better? Like I said, I'm curious. I'm keeping a mark here. And I remember where we were at. I still think Midnight Magnet is in play. From there, we might get a bounce back up. But, just sub 2 as written. Okay. I love you guys madly. That was a very frustrating day. Like, you know, sideways days are frustrating. This day is frustrating because, yeah. Not like I didn't have trades in mind, it just didn't come and get me. So it's more frustrating. Oh well. I love you guys. Kind of wanted to go on about the buyer special. I love you guys. I'll be back for the New York session. You know what? Actually, now my expectations are like on the floor. Let's see what happens. That's all. That is all. Expectations are on the floor. Why does this look good for a short wait? Lastminute.com. Little shorty short over here down to VWAP. Screw it. $15 risk. This is a bit of a quickie. Sorry, this one is probably a little bit cheeky. When the dog disagrees. I've just got A++ short on 15 seconds on ES. Ooh, there we go. No! It didn't come get me. Oh, it rejected off the 50% of the bob level. Okay, well, can't say I didn't try. Even set this one, it just... It's just hating me today. Okay, well, it's fine. I tried. Yep, I tried. It's okay. That was very frustrating. I saw that it was an A+ setup. It just didn't come to get me in. Oh well. 3 trades today. 3 trades. Where it just didn't come and tag me. Like I said, you can't say I didn't try today. Okay, I'm going. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for New York. Let me go and touch grass and reset. Okay, I'll be back. The brain will be better. I love you madly. See you then. Bye, guys. And